Is your skeletal system as fragile as a dry biscuit? Many of us are walking on borrowed time without even realizing our internal support is failing. X-ray vision reveals the difference between a dense, sturdy bone and one that is slowly becoming hollow and porous due to a lack of proper stimulation. Bone weakness is often a silent killer. It develops without pain or warning until a simple movement leads to a devastating and life-changing fracture or break. If you believe a gentle, leisurely walk is enough to keep you strong, you might be living under a dangerous illusion that puts your health at risk. Weak bones are like a ticking time bomb inside your body. A small change in how you step today is the key to protecting your frame forever. Nature intended for our bodies to be resilient. However, our modern lifestyle has forgotten the language that our bones need to hear to stay truly healthy. Today we will uncover a simple walking habit that acts as a mechanical signal to rebuild your strength from the very core of your skeletal structure. Enter Wolff's Law, the biological principle stating that bone grows and remodels in response to the forces and physical stress that are placed upon it periodically. When your bones feel a specific type of impact, they send out an emergency signal to the brain, demanding more minerals to reinforce the structural integrity. Walking 10,000 steps might not be enough if those steps are too light. Your bones need a gentle jolt to wake up the dormant rebuilding cells. Without sufficient impact, your body thinks the bones aren't being used, so it stops investing energy into keeping them dense, leading to gradual bone loss over time. We need to learn how to communicate with our skeleton. Every step should be a message of strength, telling your body to keep building and renewing itself. By applying the right amount of pressure at the right intervals, we can trigger a natural regeneration process that no supplement can achieve on its own. Research from leading medical journals confirms a simple truth. A sedentary lifestyle is the primary enemy of bone health, leading to fragility and increased risk. Modern science is now rediscovering what ancient civilizations knew. Movement isn't just about burning calories. It is the fundamental architect of our physical, internal framework. It is time to move with intention. Every purposeful step is a brick in the fortress of your health, ensuring you stay mobile for decades to come. Meet Patricia. At 65, she was told her bone density was dangerously low. She lived in constant fear of a simple fall ruining her active life. She felt fragile, as if she were made of glass. The doctor's warning echoed in her mind, making her afraid to even walk her favorite park trails. But Patricia decided that she wouldn't let fear dictate her future. She discovered the technique of purposeful walking and decided to give it a try. At first, it felt strange. She was used to shuffling her feet to stay safe, but now she was purposefully striking the ground with her heels instead. 10 minutes a day became her ritual. She wasn't running marathons. She was simply walking with a new, distinctive rhythm that felt powerful and grounded. Weeks turned into months. The initial hesitation in her gait disappeared, replaced by a steady, rhythmic thud of confidence with every single step she took. When she returned to the clinic a year later, the results were staggering. Her bone density hadn't just stabilized, it had actually begun to increase significantly. The doctor was amazed. Patricia had regained the bone strength she had a decade ago, all through a simple, free habit she practiced every morning. She was no longer a victim of her age. She was a testament to the body's incredible ability to heal when given the right physical instructions. Her story isn't a miracle. It is biology in action. By changing her walk, she changed her life, proving that it is never too late to start. Sustained effort and the right technique are the two pillars of success. Patricia found her strength again, one firm and distinct step at a time. You have that same power within you. Your bones are alive, and they are waiting for you to give them a reason to become strong again. Now, let's break down the exact technique Patricia used so you can start applying it to your own life, starting from this very moment. Introducing the staccato walking technique. Unlike a smooth, gliding stroll, staccato walking emphasizes a deliberate and firm contact between your heel and the ground. Think of it like a drum beat. Each step should be sharp and distinct. You aren't stomping, but you are ensuring a clear vibration travels up your leg. On the left, we see the common shuffle, which does nothing for bone density. On the right, the staccato method sends vital signals to the skeleton. Keep your posture tall and your core engaged. Let your arms swing naturally to maintain balance as you focus on the impact of each heel strike. This specific impact is a direct message to your brain. We need more calcium in the hips and spine. It is biological communication at its best. The goal isn't speed, but quality of movement. Aim for 30 of these purposeful, distinct steps every 5 minutes during your regular daily walk. The surface matters. A firmer ground provides better feedback and impact than a very soft carpet or deep sand, which absorbs the necessary energy. Imagine a wave of strength traveling from your heel, through your knee, and into your hip. This wave is what triggers the bone-building process effectively. Consistency is your best friend. Just 10 minutes of this focused walking every day can create more bone density than an hour of lazy strolling. Every distinct step is like adding a new layer of protection to your frame. You are literally building your own biological armor with every movement. This technique is accessible to almost everyone. It requires no expensive equipment, just a shift in your awareness and the will to move differently. To complement your walking, try the one-leg stand. Holding this pose for 15 seconds per side creates essential static pressure on your hip bones. Safety first. Always choose shoes with good arch support and adequate heel cushioning to protect your joints while you apply these bone-building forces. Warm up your joints before you start. A few simple circles for your ankles and knees will prepare your body for the rhythmic impact ahead. Listen to your body. If you feel sharp pain in your joints, stop immediately. Bone-building impact should feel firm, but it should never feel painful. Hydration is crucial. Water helps maintain the elasticity of your joints and the health of the cells responsible for rebuilding your bone matrix daily. Combine movement with nutrition. Ensure you are getting enough calcium and vitamin D to give your body the raw materials it needs to build bone. Follow this simple checklist to ensure your journey to stronger bones is both safe and effective. Preparation is the foundation of long-term physical success. Rest is just as important as the exercise itself. Your bones remodel and grow stronger while you sleep, not just while you are moving around. Be kind to your muscles. A light massage or stretching after your walk helps blood flow and speeds up the recovery of your hard-working tissues. Health is a marathon, not a sprint. Find a partner to walk with. The social connection makes the habit easier to maintain over the long haul. Remember, movement is medicine that no pharmacy can provide. It is a natural gift that keeps your body functional and your spirit truly free. Your bones have the incredible capacity to regenerate at any age. Don't wait for a diagnosis to start taking care of your amazing skeletal frame. Start your first 30 steps today. Join our community of health-conscious individuals by hitting the subscribe button for more life-changing wellness tips and techniques. Imagine a future where you move with total freedom and zero fear. That future begins with the very next step you take on your path. From Wolff's Law to the Staccato Walk, you now have the tools to rebuild your strength. Knowledge is only power when it is put into action. When will you take your first 30 purposeful steps? The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is right now. Today. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Stay strong, keep walking, and we will see you in the next video.